Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys different type of hairstyles or how to style your passion twist. So if you want to see how I style my passion twist, definitely keep on watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course give this video a like if you want more hair videos like these. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, the first hairstyle I have is what I'm wearing right now, a side part. This is how I basically style my hair a lot of the time, but I've tried different hairstyles lately. So this is hairstyle number 1, or how to style your passion twist number 1. Okay, so on to number 2 is actually really simple as well. You're just going to part this in the middle and do a middle part. I actually don't really wear it like this because I feel like middle parts don't suit me that well, but definitely if you like middle parts, this could be a hairstyle for you. I think it's pretty good and most people like middle parts, so it still looks really nice. And I did forget to mention, guys, I did lay my edges before, but this is optional. You don't need to do it if you don't want to. I just prefer laying my edges. It looks like it gives the hairstyle a pop, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is basically hairstyle number 2. Okay, so moving on to hairstyle number 3, what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to take this side and just pin it back like this, and then you're gonna take an elastic band and just tie it. So this is basically hairstyle number 3, and it's another quick and simple hairstyle. Very good for school. So definitely if you're looking for something quick in the morning and you have fashion twists and you want to switch it up, this is perfect. So here's hairstyle number 3. So hairstyle number 4 is actually very simple and similar to the one we just did. So I'm gonna go back in my side part. So you just have to part the hair whichever side you prefer. I prefer it going on my left side. Yeah, my left side. And yeah, basically like this, like so. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just gonna take this section of hair over here and this section of hair, and you can swoop it on your forehead a little bit if you like. I'm gonna take my elastic band and just tie it. Okay, and this is basically hairstyle number 4. Another very quick and simple and very easy and like good looking hairstyle, especially if you're in a rush for school and you just want to do something quick. Like, it literally took me 2 seconds. But yeah, this is hairstyle number 4. Okay, so now we're gonna move into hairstyle number 5. Okay, so basically hairstyle number 5 is a bit similar to the one we just did. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one side and I'm just going to twist it. Okay, so this is going to like look a little different. So you just take a few braids and you twist, and you're kind of gonna do a flat twist. So you pick up braids as you go, or passion twists. And I just want the front part to be twisted, so I'm gonna do it like this. and just kind of, and then I should have brought a clip, but okay. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just going to like kind of tie it so that it doesn't unravel. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to start at the top, just take a few and just flat twist basically. So as I'm going, I'm adding some braids. And then I'm gonna stop here because that's how much I want. And I'm gonna flat twist a little more, or twist the hair. And then I'll just go like this and like this. Connect both together. Use my elastic band and just tie them. And like so, this is what it would look like. So this is basically hairstyle number 5, right? 5. So yeah, it didn't take that long. It's still quick and easy, and it's cute, you know, different. So yeah, this is the other hairstyle. Okay, now hairstyle number 6 is actually very similar once again. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle part, and I'll basically do the same thing as the hairstyle I just did. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the middle part. So this is my middle part, and I'm gonna flat twist both sides. Now I'm gonna connect them. And this is hairstyle number 6. Really simple, same thing. This is how it looks with a middle part. I actually really like it, this hairstyle with a middle part. Like, I wouldn't mind wearing this with a middle part, but this is how it looks. So the next hairstyle is actually pretty simple as well. I'm gonna go ahead and basically put my hair in a low ponytail. You can do it with the middle part or like no part at all. I don't know, however you like to do it. I think actually I'm gonna do it with a side part. You can do it with a middle part, a low part, however you want, but I'm just gonna do a low ponytail. Now for this, because this is kind of thick, you need like a thick, a longer like hairband, and I can't seem to find mine because the one I have here is like actually broken and I don't want to like tie it, it's annoying. So you can use this one. I'm using this kind of head wrap bandana type of thing, and that's what I'm going to be using to do my hair. This hair is thick, guys. So this is what it looks like in a side part. I don't think I'll do this one in a middle part, but you guys get the gist, you guys get what I mean. This is a low ponytail, relatively easy, and yeah, I would actually do this. It's like really simple, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will like this hairstyle. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so the next hairstyle, of course you can do this in the middle part like I mentioned, but the next hairstyle I'm gonna actually do is a low bun. And I should have actually done this first because it would have been easier, but it's okay. So the next one is a low bun. And I think that's hairstyle number 8 or 9, I don't remember. I think it's 8. So I'm gonna take the same elastic band. Obviously this will look better if you have like a black one, but my black one is broken and I can't find another one. So, and for me, I just automatically double it so that it's easier, because guys, this hair is thick. So obviously you're gonna have some that comes out. You're just gonna take it and just twist it around and come and tuck it under the hair tie like so, and you got, okay, well, it doesn't look too nice, but you guys get the gist. That's how it would look. I would just need to keep tucking it, basically, and you can get a nice little round bun. This side looks really nice, so that's basically what it looks like. Okay, another hairstyle that you can do is actually a high ponytail. So this is hairstyle number 9. For my high ponytails, I normally don't like to have like a part. You know, I just do them because I feel like it looks nicer. You're gonna take a hair tie and do the same thing, basically, just tie it. Whew. This hair is so thick. Actually, one of the hairstyles, another hairstyle you can do before that is just a normal little bun. So let me show you guys how that would look. So you can't see that, but basically you could do a high bun. It doesn't look too nice right now because I don't have a black hair tie, but this is what it would look like actually, and it's actually really cute. I don't know why I've never done this, but yeah, this would be another hairstyle number 9. Cute back to school hairstyle, very easy and very simple to do. Okay, so now the other hairstyle I wanted to try. I'm just going to push all the hair through and do a nice high ponytail. So this is what it would look like. And this is also cute, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so that was hairstyle number 10. And then if you really want to spice things up and do something a little like cute but like with a little more flavor, it has been one of my favorite hairstyles lately. So it's very simple. You just take out the first 2 front parts of your hair and you just take a little section in the front, however big you want it to be. Okay, and then you're just going to take that section in the front, and when you're satisfied with how it looks, you take a scrunchie that you want. I've been liking to use this one because I feel like it gives it flavor, but you can take a normal hair tie, black hair tie, and as soon as you put it as high as you want or position it where you want, let me put this like this so that you guys can see. Yeah, as soon as you position it wherever you want, you're just going to tie that section. So basically this is the last hairstyle I have for you guys, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that this has been my go-to. But I think it's a really cute like hairstyle for back to school, especially if you want to spice things up, do something a little like out of the box, cute. Yeah, I've been liking this like hairstyle. It's really been like, it's different, you know, and it gives a little pop of, I don't know, like, I don't know, it just gives a little pop. So basically that is it. This is the last hairstyle. So guys, this is the end of the video. These are the few back to school hairstyles I have for you guys. These are the few ways that I style my passion twists, and I hope that this was helpful to you guys, and I hope that this showed you guys a few hairstyles that you can rock at school or wherever you're going, you know. This is how I style my passion twists, and I hope you guys got some inspiration. But if you like this video, definitely give it a like, and definitely comment down below if you want to see more videos like these, or if you have any other video suggestions. We really like talking to you guys and bringing you guys the content that you also like. So definitely comment down below, and before we leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out. Definitely join the family. We're growing. We like talking to you guys and meeting new people. So definitely join the family. And thank you guys for all the support until now. We really appreciate it, and we love the support we get from you guys. And just talking to you guys is really fun. So definitely stick around, watch other videos. We have a lot of other hair videos, fashion, makeup. So definitely stick around. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!